In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms toniques, but we will see more precisely vous. So, let's see together first what are les pronoms toniques. Stress pronouns in French, also known as disjunctive or emphatic pronouns, are used to emphasize or reinforce a particular element in a sentence. So this is really important. Remember, you will use les pronoms toniques to emphasize or reinforce an element that is in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important is that unlike subject pronouns, the stressed pronouns are used in various positions within a sentence for emphasis or clarification. So these pronouns will have this possibility to occupy various positions in the sentence. So this lesson is about vous. The stressed pronoun vous can be translated into English with you, the plural form. But in formal contexts, it can mean you, the singular form, when addressing someone respectfully. So remember, it will be possible to use it for the plural form, you, and then the singular form, you, when we address somebody respectfully. So let's see some examples. Vous partez en vacances demain. Vous partez en vacances demain. C'est vous qui avez choisi ce restaurant? C'est vous qui avez choisi ce restaurant? Vous travaillez toujours tard. Vous travaillez toujours tard. Entre vous et moi, c'est une surprise. Entre vous et moi, c'est une surprise.